Tonight, we're hearing from the daughters of a couple killed in Turner last winter. They shared their heartbreaking story with members of the state legislature today, saying that with more mental health training and stronger laws, a night that changed their lives forever could have never happened.
That night runs through my mind each and every day.
The daughters of Troy and Dulcie Varney testifying before state lawmakers just under a year after they were brutally murdered. The couple was stabbed to death inside their home in Turner last February by a man who was renting an apartment from them. Their daughter Shelby was there.
At the time of 1:42, I was awoken by screams from my mother and a gunshot that was set off by my father.
They say Patrick Mayer was having a mental crisis, testifying that he had caused a disturbance at the Varney's apartment building just hours before, and police who responded to the scene claimed he was not an immediate danger. Mayer has pleaded not guilty to the killings.
Troy and Dulcie Varney were pillars in our community.
Republican State Senator Jeffrey Timberlake says that night could have been prevented.
When you kill somebody tonight, it's on you. Those words still haunt me today. Spoken 11 months ago by Troy Varney.
He sponsored this bill, an act to provide assistance to law enforcement officers to allow them to protect the residents of the state. The goal? To help enhance behavioral health services and provide better training to police responding to people in crisis.
I believe with more training for our officers regarding mental illness and more awareness and knowledge of the signs and signals exhibited, we can further dissolve and prevent these serious and life-threatening situations.
Timberlake says he hopes it allows lawmakers to build off a law passed back in June that changes the standard for police to take a person into protective custody if they're likely to pose serious harm.
If the policemen were able to bring Patrick into custody the night before and he entered a cool down period, he may have never entered my home.
The Varneys say such laws could have saved their parents' lives.
And I truly believe that with the help of you all, we can further prevent anything even remotely similar to this from happening again.
At last check, Mayer was being held without bail at the Androscoggin County Jail, set to stand trial pending a psychological evaluation.